Let's paint a still life with some action to it. Hi, this is Modula, the artist behind Modula Creations, helping you to learn to draw, paint, and relax through art. Grapes and water splash combination is something new to me and I haven't tried this before, so let's get started. For today's painting, I am primarily using ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, primary magenta, and white. Along with this, I'll be using yellow ochre to define some of the tones. For the brushes, I am using a round, a filbert and size 1 detailing brush. I am directly defining the shapes of all the grapes with the brush. This step is completely optional. You could do this with a white charcoal pencil as well. All the materials that I am using in today's painting are given in the description box below. The grapes is going to be in multiple layers to bring out the tones and shades of it. So the initial layers are going to be darker. Depending on the color of the grapes you choose to draw, the base color will change completely. So this is a red toned grapes, so I've chosen to use alizarin crimson and primary magenta. You can choose to do lot of different colors ranging from purples, reds, greens to black. So there's a whole lot of bunch to choose from. You should remember to make each of the grapes slightly different in color even though you can maintain the same color group. So what I mean is, some of the grapes can be little darker, some may have more red tone, some may be lighter and so on. The grapes, as I told, are going to be primarily with alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue and primary magenta. For the lighter areas, I am using a touch of white to lighten up the colors. There are going to be many layers to the grapes to bring out the natural look to it. And particularly for this subject, I am going from dark to light in each of the layers. Actually, grapes are not only for eating fresh and making wine, they have so much of other uses, right from making juice, jam, jellies to drying it up for raisins. Even the seeds are used for medicinal purposes. So no matter how you decide to use grapes, don't ever forget to paint them too. Alright? Grapes are a great still life subject, right? You would have seen it in many paintings. It creates lot of interest to the still life because of the shape and colors. And it is also possible to add it to a still life arrangement the way you want it to be. I also did a grapes painting in watercolor. I will link it in the card above and also in the description box below. You can check that too later. So we keep working on layers unless and until we are satisfied with the color range of it. I do post video tutorials with step-by-step instructions like this one, detailed product reviews and much more on my channel every week. So do subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications from YouTube whenever I post a new video. Adding the water splash to the grapes adds more interest and gives action to the subject. This makes the whole composition more interesting, and this is what will take a lot of time to paint as well. To make things easier, I first define the path of water splash and then go on to define the details. This makes the whole process much simpler. Now let's continue doing the water splash to finish this painting off. Adding the stock and the final details to the painting. The final details includes adding shadows and little bit of grapes reflection on the waterline. And we also need to highlight the stock. If you like what you saw, do click on the like button and share it with your friends too. Do subscribe and let's stay in touch. Here are some useful videos for you to watch. Have a great week. Happy painting.